Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Ronde de Bordeaux Fig. Ronde de Bordeaux is a smaller fig, and just like the name mentions, it is round. It's another early season fig for us, and it's ripening quite quickly. There's several on the tree that are just about ripe, and we're gonna check out this one. Like I've mentioned in the other videos, our farm is up in the maritime Pacific Northwest, so it's very cool here. So to get figs to ripen in early August, we really have to put these inside under plastic. So these are all in a hoop house, and the extra heat we get really accelerates everything. It's almost like, you know, having a little plot of land a few hundred miles south, because we get to experience warmer temperatures and a longer growing season in here. And this one looks like it's almost ripe, and that one is almost just about ripe too. So we'll pull them off and then look at the kind of ripeness inside. So one way to tell if they're ripe is the skin will start to break on the outside. So let's look at that one. Oh, and that looks pretty good. And this one, I'm guessing, is just a little bit less ripe, but maybe it's still good to go. Let's open that one. Yeah, they both look pretty good. This is Ronde de Bordeaux. It's an earlier fig that when it starts ripening, a lot of the fruit on the tree will start ripening at the same time.